Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back to do the drawing for the 4 winners of my mini book charm giveaway. If you watched my last video on my charm tutorial, I actually had a hidden giveaway and I was so thrilled that so many of you participated. And if you are one of the lucky winners to win one of these, I hope you enjoy them as much as I did creating them. So this week I have been super busy trying to get my craft room organized and kind of reconfigured. I basically rearranged all of my furniture, and it's not just as simple as that. If you have your own craft room, you know that you have to pull out all the supplies. It looked like a tornado had hit my craft room, and I am really close to being done. So hopefully I can do a tour for you guys really soon. Enough said about that. I just wanted to let you guys know where I've been this week. So let's go ahead and pick the 4 winners of this giveaway. So here are the 4 mini book charms that are going to be given away. I did create these little containers, sorry for that glare, to house each one of them so that they get to use safely. So without further ado, let's go ahead and pick the 4 winners. So here is a list of everybody that participated and used that hopeful word in their comments to let me know that they wanted to be entered. So I have a total of 35 people. So thank you again, and your comments were so wonderful. I truly appreciate it. So we're gonna do this kind of the old school way. I have pulled up random.org on my phone. Random.org, just to show you. And let me make this a little bit bigger. So in the max, I will type in 35. And good luck to everybody. So here is winner number 1. And that is 32. And that's going to be Ashley SEAY. I apologize in advance if I pronounce anybody's name wrong. I will just try to do the best that I can. The first winner is number 32, which is Ashley SEAY. Or C. So congratulations, Ashley. Okay, let's pick number 2. So I will just hit generate again. And that is lucky number 13. And that is Lala's Crafts. So congratulations. Once more. Number 27, and it's RONDA GARRY. Congrats, RONDA. And for the final winner, it is number 5, and that is Deborah, and she is Deb B on YouTube. So congratulations to the 4 winners. So those are the 4 winners to my mini book charm giveaway. So if you are a winner, please go ahead and email me. I will have that email in the description box below. You have to email me by the end of Sunday, I believe it's the 5th. I do want to get these out of here early next week. So that should give you a couple days to watch the video and see if you won. Email me with your full name and address so that I can go ahead and get these sent out. So thank you again for everybody that participated, and for the winners, I hope you really enjoy these. So that is all for now. I will be back really soon now that I actually have some desk space and can do some videos, I will be back really soon with another video. So until then, have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye everyone.